Tropical cyclone to impact the Queensland coast later this week and possibly cause widespread flooding across large parts of the state. So let's look at where we are right now. A lot of cloud, storms and convection across the northern Coral Sea. We can see that clearly here in the water vapour image. A big blow up of storm activity overnight. It is on the decrease though, and that's typical as we saw normally we increase in the overnight hours and a decrease during the daytime hours. But also note how the convection is away from the centre of circulation, which is denoted here in the L. And that means we've still got a while to go until the cyclone develops. Still a tropical low right now, but we're likely to see this convection in these brighter colours start focusing around that centre of circulation. And that's when we're likely to see it intensify into a tropical cyclone as we move into the latter part of tonight, but particularly during the day on Monday. Tropical cyclone tracks have already been issued. Now by the time we get into Monday afternoon, probably going to be pretty close to a tropical cyclone intensity. And at this stage, we're expecting to name it late on Monday or into the very early hours of Tuesday. But then it's likely to quickly intensify as we move through the Tuesday and Wednesday timeframe. Category 2 on Tuesday, and could get into a severe Category 3 system as we move through the Wednesday timeframe and into Thursday. Then watch as it continues to approach the Queensland coast as we move through Thursday. Now, there's still a range of scenarios in this situation. While our consensus track does cross it to the south of Townsville, there's still a range of scenarios where we could see it cross between Cairns and Mackay. So if you live in this area or know anyone that does, it is vital that you stay up to date with the latest forecasts and warnings via our website, app and social media as we continue to get a better handle on the exact track and intensity of this system. Now, let's look further out. There's a lot of shower and storm activity associated with that, but notice how dry and quiet the weather is across the Queensland coast, and that's thanks to southerly winds wrapping around the system, bringing much drier and cooler conditions. But it will be hot, with temperatures looking to get into low to severe intensity heat waves through inland areas. But then as we move into the Wednesday and Thursday timeframe, we're likely to see shower and thunderstorm activity increasing across the central coast. But again, this is just one model scenario here. There's a range of scenarios where it could be further north or further south as it continues to track towards the Queensland coast. Then, as we get into the Thursday and Friday timeframe, we could see widespread heavy rainfall across much of central Queensland. And that again could be further north or further south or even further inland. So it's important to continue to stay updated with the observations and satellite images. Then as we move into the end of the week, there's a range of scenarios of where this system may go later in the week. Some have it coming more offshore, back into the ocean, while some also have it moving further south and inland, possibly even to parts of southeast Queensland. So this could bring widespread heavy rainfall, flooding and damaging winds. So if you live anywhere in central and southeastern parts of the Queensland, it's also vitally important that you stay up to date with the latest forecasts and warnings in the coming days, as this could be a long duration event, and we'll continue to keep you updated here at the Bureau.